In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a discount to an invoice using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or managing your finances, this is a great way to adjust your invoices for sales, promotions, or customer satisfaction. We'll guide you through the process in just a few minutes. To begin with, head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you are there, look for the option to sign in, click on it, and you'll see a set of login options. From these, choose QuickBooks Online. Enter your credentials in the appropriate fields and click continue. Make sure you've got your login details handy, as this will ensure a smooth start to the process. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create a new transaction. To do this, locate and click on the new button within QuickBooks. This is your gateway to a variety of transaction types, but for today, we're focusing on invoices. So go ahead and select invoice from the list. Next, you'll need to specify who this invoice is for. You can do this by adding a customer to the invoice. You might have an existing customer list, or you may need to add a new one. Select your customer or input their details. This step personalizes and directs the invoice to the right recipient. After you've got your customer in place, it's time to add the products or services you're invoicing for. There's a section on the invoice where you can list each item, add descriptions, price, and any other relevant details for each product or service. This ensures clarity for both you and your client, avoiding any misunderstandings about the transaction. Now, let's apply the discount. Scroll to the section labeled Discount. If you can't see it, there might be an option to add or enable a discount field depending on your QuickBooks settings. Enter the discount amount or percentage. This could be a seasonal promotion, a loyalty discount, or an adjustment for any other reason. It's a useful tool for customer satisfaction and long-term business relationships. With everything set, the final step is to save your work. Click on Save and then choose Save and Send. This option sends the completed invoice to your customer's email and updates your records in QuickBooks. Ensure you review the invoice before sending to double check everything is correct. And there you have it, a simple way to apply discounts to your invoices in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can easily manage discounts and offer them to your clients, enhancing your business's flexibility and competitive edge. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that follow button for more helpful guides.